Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and first of all I want to thank you for your support and your great comment on my A to Z to Christmas craft video, my previous video. So I'm really happy that you like my project and enjoy watching, so thank you for that. So today I want to show you folded envelope pocket that I made. And so today I want to show you a folded envelope, what I made, fully decorated with 4 flaps. So you will see how it looks like. So for the cover I made a policy closure, in which I add some beads at the end to add some dangle. So I put a nice crochet flowers on top, and this is printable that I had. On the first flap you have a nice notebook with all different paper inside. So there is 8 different pages here. So decorated here with paper. On the second flap you have a nice pocket with different tags inside, which I made. So this is the one with butterfly. There is a slightly small ticket, on which one I drew a little flowers in it in the dangle. So you have a nice stamp with scrapbook paper. This is a tag that I received from Teresa tub that I use in here. Let me put it in back. Up. And the third one, we have a belly band here, a deep belly band with a nice pretty envelope which I received in a happy mail, also from Teresa. She lives in Canada and she used to send me some cute stuff. We are good friends now. And the fourth one, we have a pocket in which I had some embossed paper. So this is to make a small corner tuck in your journal. A little card with embossed paper. This is a pretty card I received in a happy mail. And some nice embossed paper in which I put some ink on top of it to make gorgeous colors. Yeah, it's that. It's a deep pocket. You can see there is a flap inside the pocket to put a lot of things inside. And on the back side you have also some pocket like that. So you have a fabric pocket here with a tag I made in a tag, which I altered here. There is a corner pocket here from the same printable of the front envelope. So you have lined a corner pocket with some ribbon here and a tag from scrapbook paper, which I had a butterfly with some stickers on top of it. So here it is. So you have 4 sides on the pocket, on the envelope. So this is the flap, 1, 2, 3, 4. And on the other side you want 1, 2, 3, 4 as well. And when you fold it, you have to make it like that, like that, like that. And to make this pocket, I used 2 envelopes to have this gorgeous pocket, which I will send to a friend by email. So that's it.